In today's handoff to Joe and Erica, big snowstorms like today's remind us of Chicago's historic blizzards, and there have been many.
Yeah, we were sitting around talking about some of them today. We figured we'd do that with you. These are images of Lakeshore Drive in 2011, and they are now iconic. More than 21 inches of snow fell, stranding cars and a CTA bus on the drive. People just abandoned them to get somewhere warm, leaving this road really looking like an auto graveyard.
There was less snow during this blizzard in 1987, only about a foot, but it was heavy when people went out to shovel. Some had heart attacks. In fact, it was called the heart attack snowstorm. 24 people died, mostly from the grueling shoveling.
8 years before that, we were socked with another historic blizzard. More than 20 inches fell, and there was already up to 10 inches of snow on the ground. It choked city streets, caused some trains to stop running. It shut down O'Hare. It was so bad, the city's response cost then Mayor Michael Belanek his job.
Yep.
He was voted out of office just a few months later.
And then in 1967, Chicago had its heaviest snowstorm in recorded history. 23 inches of snow fell, 26 residents died. 800 CTA buses and 50,000 cars were abandoned on city streets and highways. It took the city 2 days to fully dig out of that blizzard. And my enduring memory of that time, because I was a child there. My father was a Chicago police officer. We lived on 83rd Street, a busy street in West Chatham. He had to walk down the middle of the street to get to work. There were no cars.
Jeez.
Wild.
It does feel like we've learned from all of them, though, right?
I think so.
Because now it can snow 10 inches, and I say this, but the streets are cleared quickly.
Yeah.
And technology has helped too with
Right.
GPS and all of that.
And I'll complain less to Albert, considering what we've been through in the past.
Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.